Pitaluga. I coined the term, hello there, I'm Otávio Pitaluga. I coined the term CNO, Chief Networking Officer, on Wikipedia globally more than 17 years ago. I bring to you the Stakeholders Management Transformation Leadership Program that I implement into organizations. All this work will be done virtually. We have three steps. The major aim of this work is to transform your organization into a virtual, agile, networking enterprise, which means all the talents, all collaborators, all internal networkers, they will be activate on behalf of the organization. They will generate the leads for the company. So nobody is responsible for getting customers or getting investors or getting uh, strategic suppliers. Oh, all the organization you move and everyone you become ambassador of the brand and you'll be representing the company in attracting talents, in attracting leads, in attracting business opportunities. This is not only a function of a specific department anymore. Well, how can we do that? We will not use a top-down approach. We will use a bottom-up and a buy-in approach in three steps. Number one, public speaking. Virtually, 1 hour and a half, I will explain everything, the whole program, on a fixed value for unlimited number of participants. You can even record it, but it needs to be uh, very restricted to the company. We cannot spread the word around. Number two, workshop virtually using Zoom. We have two ways, either 8 hours or 16 hours. In 18 hours is a theoretical part in the beginning, and then dynamics, but to be very fast. If you go for 16 hours, you have theoretical part plus dynamics. The following day, more dynamics with more time for discussions, and you go even to a digital platform and start putting a hands-on experience and having all the knowledge activated. You can have up to group of up to 10 people per session. Okay, and that's the whole idea in the month number two. In the month number three, you come with a coaching sessions. It's a package for a number of hours to be agreed upon. And in each session, you have the CNO, who was also identified in the workshop, plus the networks managers, the stakeholders managers, and then you define per session which networks managers, the stakeholders managers will have to work with, and this could be rotational. You can change the number of people and the group of people per session. Okay, and this is the whole plan in the third month on. That's the whole idea. It works very fine. I have been operating as a CNO, Chief Networking Officer, for more than 21 years. And I got success stories in Europe soon after my MBA. So the company was about to bankrupt. And I make it whole turnover using this methodology intuitively. And that's what I bring to you. So it worked for me when I had no time, I had no money, and I have limited resources and the brand was in a very downside. If you have everything in place, I can assure you that you'll be much better and much more successful than I was. Okay, my name is Octavio Pitaluga, CNO, Chief Networking Officer. I coined this term on Wikipedia globally. I'm looking forward to serving you soon. Thank you so much.